Welcome to our video on how to set budgets and forecasts for hospitality businesses in Docket. Let's begin. Start by logging into your Docket account. Select Business Reports and click Budget and Forecast. On the Budget and Forecast page, you will find the budgets and forecasts explicitly created for your business. Adding a budget or forecast. To add a budget or forecast, click the blue button on the Budget and Forecast page. Provide a name for your budget/forecast and select the financial year for which you are creating the budget/forecast. Select Budget or Forecast from Report Type and click Continue. Input the monetary value for each chart of accounts and each month. When you have finished inputting the monetary value for each chart of accounts and each month, remember to click the Save button. Likewise, when creating a forecast, make sure to enter the monetary value for each chart of accounts and each month. Once you have finished entering the values, remember to click the Save button to save your changes. Modifying a budget or forecast. To edit a budget/forecast, click on the three dots next to the budget/forecast you wish to modify. Select Edit from the menu to access the editing options. Modify the name or time frame of the budget/forecast as applicable. Modify the monetary value for the chart of accounts and each month as needed. Click the Save button when you are done. Deleting a budget or forecast. To delete a budget/forecast, click the ellipsis icon in front of the budget/forecast row. From the options that appear, select Delete. In the pop-up box, type Delete and click the Delete button. By doing this, you will successfully remove the budget/forecast from your records. Setting a budget as default. Locate the ellipsis icon in the row corresponding to the desired budget and click on it. Then select Set as Default from the available options. The chosen budget will be visually distinguished with a green default flag displayed in front of it. By setting a default budget, you ensure that it is automatically selected and used as the primary reference for financial analysis and planning within your business. And there you have it. You have now learned how to set budgets and forecasts in Docket. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.